Hello everybody and welcome to the Grange Head Teacher Video Assembly. You know who I am, Mr. Kerbal, your head teacher, and you know what we're aiming for at Grange. We want everybody to have a great caring attitude. We want everybody to be trying their best. We want to always be learning, especially from our mistakes. We want to be all about improvement and progress, continuously striving to be better. We want to use our education and our learning to help us make great choices in life, and we want to never give up. So true strength, how can we become stronger? We know that there is physical strength and we know there's character strength. We know physical strength helps us to overcome any physical challenges and to win physical battles, but character strength helps us to overcome any challenge and win any battle in the end. So this character strength, it is an amazing thing because it helps you to solve problems. And the question we should always be asking ourselves is, which character strength am I going to use to solve the particular problem that faces me at any moment in my life? Now, there are what I would call parent strengths. So these are the big groups of character strength, and these are like parents because they're pretty big and they lead. And then each of these parent strengths have more detailed little strengths that are part of the big parent strengths, and those are like children in the family groups. So what have we learned so far? Well, we've learned the parent strength of wisdom, and we've learned that that means not just being clever, but really thinking deeply and using all your experience and knowledge to help you make great choices. And that was the parent strength. But the children character strengths are the detail within wisdom. So we learned love of learning and curiosity. And love of learning is just really taking every opportunity you've got to really make the most of your learning. So you come to school and you make the most of focusing and listening and taking part and really doing well in your lessons. Curiosity is when you're not even sure, you hadn't planned to particularly learn about something, or you weren't even aware that you were going to have the opportunity to learn about something, but suddenly it came up. And you just allow your mind to be really curious and to wonder and think and go further. So it's a different type of learning. It's really, really being curious and wondering how you're going to find out the solution or what you can do to make things better, or just finding out things. And then we also learned the parent strength of courage, and courage really, really being willing to step forward and do great things. And we learned a children character strength of courage. Sorry, that should say courage, not wisdom. And that was bravery. And that was even when you're really scared, but you decide to have a go. So we learned about that one as well. Bravery is being brave enough to have a go. Even if you may be a bit scared, you might make a mistake, you might not do so well, but you realize by having a go, you're only going to get better. So bravery is being willing to have a go. Now, today we're learning about the parent strength of transcendence. Now, this is a big word, transcendence. And I'm always interested in words. I mean, that's part of my love of learning, is to learn about words. And then I'm curious where they come from. So anyway, the word transcendence comes from Latin. Remember the Romans? They were very good with language, and they've given us a lot of the language that we use today, especially the European languages. Anyway, so this word transcendence is made up of two parts. Trans is to cross over. So even like walking over a bridge to get from one side to the other side, that's trans. And send means to climb. You might have heard the word ascend, which means to climb up, descend, which means to climb down. So when we are talking about transcendence, we means that we're climbing up to cross over higher to another level. So it means to cross over to a higher level. So that's transcendence, where we can actually use our character strength to get to a new and higher level. So let's hear the child's strength of transcendence, and that is gratitude. And I love this little emoji. It says attitude and gratitude, because if you have an attitude of gratitude, well, it will really, really help you. So this character strength that we're talking about today is called gratitude. What does gratitude actually mean? I mean, we all know to say thank you for something, that's gratitude. But I'm going to go a little bit further. That true gratitude needs three things. One is you really need to feel it. It's no good saying thank you if you don't really feel thankful. So, really feeling thankful. Also, recognizing the goodness of others and others and other experiences. So, that means when you feel gratitude, you really see other people who help you, other experiences that make your life better. And the third thing is really practicing gratitude, saying and doing gratitude. So you really feel it, you recognize how much others have helped you, other people, other experiences, and you actually say it and you do it. So that's really gratitude, not just saying thank you. So what problems, remember I said at the start that character strength helps you to solve problems. So what problems does gratitude solve? Now, this is the point where really, I don't want to really give you answers. I want you to think for yourselves. I'll just tell you a little bit about what I'm thinking. I'm thinking is that if you practice gratitude, if you really, really look at what you have got in your life, not what you don't have, but what you have got, it really helps you with jealousy. We all sometimes feel jealous. We see somebody with so many things and we think, oh, I wish I could be like them. And then it starts making us feel all upset. But if we practice gratitude, then we look at what we've got and we suddenly start realizing how much we've got and how brilliant what we've got is and how special what we've got is. And that helps us with jealousy. Sometimes also like maybe loneliness, because we can feel, oh, I don't have that many friends or I don't know that many people. But then if you practice gratitude, if you actually start realizing the people who are around you, the one or two friends that you actually do have, then you don't start thinking about all the friends that you don't have. You think about and you actually see the friends that you have, and your friendship deepens and you have even better friendship. I'm sure there are many other problems that gratitude can help you with. Sometimes when one is really sad and struggling with things that have happened in one's life, if you think about gratitude, if you say, I'm going to stop and I'm going to think about all the things I'm grateful for, sometimes that helps us to feel much, much better. We know the Grange CC way. It's all about being confident and caring about ourselves and loving ourselves and looking after and out for ourselves and considerate, caring and looking out for everybody else in the world. So, the CC way is really a philosophy for life. We've got CC lining up, which helps you to be ready for anything that you're about to embark upon. We've got CC walking. So when you're going from one space to another space, you keep our school great. You feel good about yourself. The whole school feels great and you feel proud of our school. We have CC learning, where if you do this, you really start succeeding, making progress, feeling great about your learning. When you feel great about your learning, you learn even better. CC learning is all about good listening, about sensible contribution, about making progress and learning from one's mistakes, always having a go. So, stars of the week, well, they go to, gold goes to Evelina, brilliant. Pharrell, fantastic. Ibra, I'm proud of you. Jalsa, incredible. Bianca, brilliant to see you there. And Shana, fantastic. All of you gold people, well done. Be proud of yourselves. Be confident. So the Grange House of Water got 3,023 points, which is absolutely brilliant. That is one of the record totals for a week. And let's look at all the House of Water pupil champions. Mustafa M, Oliver, Safana, Kauthar, Merti, Kavish, Agash, Prahatas, Furkan, Ayana, Cosmina, Stacy, Ilya, Alia, Furkan, and Abdullah. Fantastic, all of you. And carrying on, Subair, Sakina, Pharrell, Bavita, Zara, Amira, Anna, Parisa, Mariama, Grace, wonderful to see you there. Ikram, brilliant, and Devesh with 51. Fantastic. And carrying on, Ayat, brilliant, 52. Nora, Diana, Wissam, great work. Zara, Maruna, brilliant, 58. Shiley, 68. Blinhart 69, and Aliyah NQ 92 points. Grange House of Water, fantastic. Grange House of Fire, you got 2,715 points. That's brilliant. And look at you over here. Aliyah Y, fantastic to see you there. Angela, Bashir, Isaac, Fatima, Ryan, Danya, Amos, Elias, Medina, Rushil, Farhad, Harun, Soraya, Vishwesh, Simon, Princess, and Jausa. And Hewad, brilliant. 44, Shana, 45, Serena, 50, Elfie, great work, 53. Vinaya, 58, brilliant. Patrick, excellent, 58. Mirthika, 59. Hader, 64, well done. Yamindi, 76, well done. Eric A, 79, fantastic. So many people from Churchill class, well done. And Grange House of Air, 2,764 points. Well done, Grange House of Air. And we've got Mustafa, Amrit, Hadil, Abdullah, Yusuf, Mora, Mehdi, Jaden, Imran, Ibris, Sabrine, Nicoletta, proud of all of you. Ajay, Shravan, Diraj, Blessing, Krasian, Shema, Bianca, excellent, Dua, Sana, fantastic, Arzu, Dana, and Jackie with 48. And we carry on with House of Air. Nur, 49, Razor, 52, Kiana, 52, Sarah, AR, 53, brilliant, Masood, 55, Dara, 55, Bashir, 59, Faris, 59, and Mario, really proud of you, 88 points, well done. Grange House of Earth, 2,946 points, brilliant. Look at you over there, Zikriya, Samra, Nemo, Asia, Jamal, Zohaib, Tebarek, Sina, Ali G, Max, Danusha, Hedran, Ali R, Maha, Alex, Michelle, Wasim, and Jabril. And Ibrahim, 36, well done. Aitan, Dikshan, Layan, Ayman, Stefania, Lena, Divian, Sana H, Sumaya, Adam S, Anastasia, Habiz, 50, well done. Ayub, 52, Jody, 52, brilliant to see you there, Jody. And Sawa, 53. And carrying on, Anushanth, 55, Shaista, 57, Lala, 61, Alicia, 68, Race, 87, and Evelina, a magnificent 89. So the whole Grange community, 11,448 points this week, which is brilliant. And Mr. Kerbal's classy classes, Mandela class, well done with 865. Luther King class, look at you, storming past the 1,000-point barrier, which Tubman class passed a few weeks ago and inspired us. And Churchill class, magnificent. I actually think this is the highest an individual class has got in a week so far. Churchill class, magnificent, brilliant. So our whole Grange community, our autumn 1 total was 47,561. Our target for autumn 2 2020 was 50,000 points. And what I wanted to say so far, let me just quickly look. So far, we have 21,566 points, so well on target, because Freddie came last half term for a lovely visit, but we are working towards a real reindeer visit for Christmas. I've got to say, been doing the research with Miss Joshi, and we are really looking forward to this. So do your bit, have courage, be your best, be a great Grange CC learner. We're looking forward to Christmas already. Keep brilliant, everybody. Be great, be Grange. Live your lives with confidence and consideration, and enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.